Ngayon naman, matututunan mo kung paano mag-add ng fraction. So, ganito po. So, lagi natin tatandaan yung similar at saka dissimilar fraction. Kasi po, magkaiba ang pag-solve natin sa kanila. Ang similar fraction ay madali lang. So, matatandaan natin ng similar fraction ay pare-parehas ng denominators. For example, we have 1/3 plus 2/3 plus 5/3. So, as you can see, kita naman natin, ang denominators nila ay pare-parehong 3. So, therefore, they are a similar fraction. So, paano nga ba mag-add ng similar fraction? So, napakadali. Just need to copy their denominators, which is 3, and add the numerators because we have plus there. So 1 plus 2 plus 5 is 8. So therefore, this is our answer. Another example. We have 5 over 7 plus 2 over 7. So these two is similar fraction. So we need to copy their denominator. Then add the numerators, which is 5 plus 2 is 7. And 7 over 7 is 1. So our answer is 1. So don't forget to simplify the answer. So another, you're still confused. So 1 over 5 plus 3 over 5 plus 6 over 5. So as you can see, we have the same denominators. So you just need to copy their denominators and add the numerators. So 10 over 5 is 2. So that's our answer.